Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Speak Keyboard Input Aloud on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, scroll down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now we scroll down again and then tap on Swipe, Touch and Feedback. In here, tap on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. You can also tap on the left hand panel. This in here will allow you to further customize your Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. So you can choose to read by the characters, by the words, or both characters and words. It also allows you to read deleted characters aloud. And here you can also turn on phonetic alphabet. And that's it. So that's how you can switch it off or on. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.